Kotlin syntax, which allow you to move a lambda expression outside of the parentheses of a function. For example, if you have some function has the lambda expression as the last parameter, and you can move this lambda function outside parentheses. So in Kotlin Compose, it's if you see this, it is the trailing lambda used everywhere. For example, if you have a column, and let's say you have the text over here, and if you check on the column, you move your cursor on it, you see it is composable public inline function column, and the content is the last parameter. So suppose what you can do is the parentheses, and this is content equal to this. So you can see the trailing lambda, when the last parameter is lambda expression is a function, anonymous function without a name. So you can see the last parameter content actually is the last parameter of this column function. Actually, column is a function, right? You call function with parentheses, but as this is the last parameter, so you can move the lambda function outside parentheses, and you don't need, as it's you don't need a function with the lambda function, and the parentheses is the only parameter. You don't need the parentheses too. So actually, you can just use this. So the trailing lambda makes compose code looks more declarative UI markup, creating a natural hierarchy that's easy to read and understand. So every composable that takes a content lambda parameter use the pattern to build the UI tree. So the trailing lambda of the composable function, it is heavily used in the Jetpack Compose.